so today I'm coming at you with another video on this hair. So excited. I have not opened it up or anything until now. Like, I still haven't touched the wig. I haven't. So if you want to see all about Luvme hair, because I know that y'all know, just like I know, that this is a new it thing right now. It's all over Facebook. It's super popular. And I wanted to know what the hype was about. You're going to want to know all about this hair from a real chick like me. And I'm here to give you all the So if you want to see what's in the box, keep watching. And most importantly, thank you for living with me. So with my own money, I spent $270 or $250 for this wig here. And I had a coupon code. That's why I paid that amount. Without, I think it was $317 for this wig. My own money. Never have done any type of sponsorships or anything like that. As you can see, I barely got followers. I'm just getting started, so of course not. But anyways, the box came DHL shipping. I ordered it on a Thursday or a Friday. And then I received it yesterday, which was the Tuesday. I also ordered it in the middle of a snowstorm. It got here, like, I want to say 3 business days, maybe 2 business days. It showed up, DHL shipping. So let's jump right in the box because I'm ready. Like, I'm so ready. Like, look at my hair. You know I'm ready. When we open up the box, first thing I see is the wig. And it is in this nice little bag. But we're going to save the best for last. All right, what else they give me? What else did y'all give me? Oh, nice, fancy. Yes. The flat iron that everyone has gotten with a purchase over, I want to say $120. You get a free flat iron. I get a flat iron. And you want to know something? It ain't just any flat iron. This flat iron is hot this way too. So all you got to do is a quick, yeah. It's nice and silky. Like ceramic. It's got to be ceramic. And to be free, it came with a bunch of different settings. It's in Celsius. This is a Chinese company. I need y'all to know that. Also, it came with wig caps that I actually am going to use for the meltdown method. Next, I've got some goodies in here. Got some bobby pins, a rat tail comb, some clips, 2 of them, a band in case I want to attach that, and some tweezers that I need in case you want to pluck, but this is supposed to be pre-plucked, so it better be, because I ain't got all day. And it came with something else too that was on top, like packaged outside of the box. And it's just a wig stand. Let me get it for you. Okay, guys. So here's the wig stand that it came with and some Chinese instructions on how to assemble it. But I can follow the picture. Don't worry about that. All those goodies in here. And I'm going to probably use all of them. All right, so let's open up the bag. This is the, okay, so the wig that I got is the 360 lace full wig. And I got it in the deep wave, and I got the longest length that they had, which was 26 inches. So if you were to get this, you would be paying a lot less than me if you're not a long hair type of person. This time, it's going to be my first time with a full wig. It's not a full lace wig. They do have the full lace wigs, but I've never even worn a 360 wig. I've only worn like a frontal wig before. So I don't want to get a full lace wig and me realize, okay, I prefer frontals and bundles. So I got the 360 lace wig. So I still can put it all the way at the top of my head like this, but I cannot part it 4 ways and in the middle. But who's going to rock 4 pigtails anyway? I'm not. Let's take this out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So it's in a little net with the little 26 on there. It better be 26 inches too because I'm checking. Sticker don't mean nothing. Oh, it already came with an elastic band anyway, already. Y'all, it came with one already attached. That must be for the ladies with the full lace wig that have to attach your own, but Matt's, it's already on there, baby. What? Let's look at how this is constructed. It is constructed nicely. Look at that. That is nice. Oh man, let's get this whole rest of this net off. This is an actual deep wave that this is what I've been looking for. All right, let me zoom in for y'all. Y'all gotta look at, okay. So we've got the baby hairs. It's pre-plucked. It's pre-plucked, all right. Definitely pre-plucked. The lace is a nice transparent lace. I need to bleach the knots though. The knots have to be bleached. Hair feels soft. It's got these little bra strap bands and 2 tuck combs, 3 tuck combs, 2 in the back, 1. No. There's 4, 2 in the back, 2 in the middle. And this band, and it is a 360. I'm so excited, y'all. The hair is soft. It's definitely soft. I can't call it yet though. Texture wise, and if it's gonna tangle stuff, I can't call it. I can't. Naturally with a deep wave, I don't think I ever can in the beginning. Does it look like it's 26 inches? Yes. Yes. Y'all. All right, so I'm just going, it's a full wig, so I don't have to worry about which piece I grab from. So we're going to grab one that's all the way at the edge. And let's put that right at my nape here. I'm even going to give it an extra inch up. This hair, y'all, look at this. This hair is coming past my pelvic. I'm 5'3". Granted, I am kind of short, but it's hitting me like a 30 hits me, and it's a deep wave, y'all. Now, granted, I stretched that, but I don't care. Unstretched, it's hitting my waist. Put the wig on. There's nothing else to say till we put it on. That's all we can do. So I got to get to bleaching these knots, girls. Thank you for living with me. I know I'm hard to put up with. I know I'm crazy. I know I need to take my medication, but I won't. Stay tuned for more videos, y'all. And stay tuned to see how this little baby hits this head.